got a C-ring, same thing with a fender, all of that. And you got the shift cable linkage broken, like you see right here.
Where's the plastic piece?
I took it off. Here it is. What you do is you get you some JB Weld, steel stick, mix them up real good. You put them on there just like this. I'm gonna take a little bit off. I really took off too much. Put it up there first, like that. Lay it down like that. Flatten it down like that. Just hold it for a few minutes. Once it done sat for a while, it'll harden up. It'll be a wrap. See that? See all the uses? You can use this shit for almost anything, but using it for shift cable linkage is, I've never had an issue with it. And I've done it on so many cars. Only takes about probably 5 minutes to do. The JB Weld in place, and it's rock solid. You can shift through the gears now.
Crazy. Yep.